In this video, we're diving into Job Escape, a platform that claims to help freelancers make money online. But is it really a great way to earn, or just another scam? Let's break it down and see if it's worth your time. Job Escape presents itself as a freelancing hub, where users can enhance their skills and find work. The platform claims to connect freelancers with businesses looking for services like graphic design, content writing, and digital marketing. But before you invest your time and effort, let's look at how you can actually make money on the platform. One way is by completing freelance gigs. You create a profile, showcase your skills, and bid on jobs. If a client hires you, you get paid after completing the project. However, many users have reported that landing a gig is difficult unless you already have top-tier experience, and there's stiff competition. Another way to make money is through Job Escape's paid courses and certifications, which are advertised as ways to boost your skills and increase job opportunities. But here's the catch. Many users claim these courses are overpriced and don't provide real value, so it's important to be cautious before spending money on them. The platform also has a referral program where you earn commissions for inviting others to join. On the surface, it seems like an easy way to earn, but this is where red flags start to appear. Some users suggest that the referral system is structured more like a pyramid scheme, where the real money comes from bringing in new people rather than from actual freelancing opportunities. Now let's analyze whether Job Escape is truly legitimate or just another online trap. One major concern is the limited contact information. The platform only provides an email address and a simple contact form. There's no phone number or live chat, which raises questions about their transparency and customer support. Another red flag is the reviews. On Trustpilot and other review sites, Job Escape has plenty of 5-star ratings. But if you take a closer look, many of these reviews seem fake or scripted. The writing style is similar across multiple reviews, and most of the reviewers have only ever left one review, which is highly unusual for genuine users. On the other hand, the negative reviews tell a different story. Many users report struggling to withdraw their earnings, experiencing delays, or even getting their accounts banned for no reason. Others complain about hidden fees, unauthorized charges, and low-quality courses that don't justify their price. Another issue is their social media presence. Their pages have low engagement, and users claim their negative comments get deleted. This raises concerns about whether the platform is actually listening to its users or just trying to maintain a positive image while ignoring real problems.